Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to fix this app was built for an older version of Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So why not try this once? To do so, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Once restarted successfully, open the Google Play and check for the error. Corrupted cache and data is the major reason behind getting this error on Android. So, try clearing them to fix the problem. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Google Play Store. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. It might be possible that you are getting this app was built for an older version error due to using an outdated OS. So, if a new software version is waiting to be downloaded, go for it. Simply go to Settings on your Android. Then find About Device and tap on Software Update. If any updates found, tap on Download and Install. The next method is to remove your Google account from the device. This will delete all the associated app files and caches causing the error. To do so, open the settings on your device. Scroll down to locate Accounts and Sync. Tap on Google. To remove the account, click on More and tap on Remove Account. Your Google account and all its associated file data will be deleted. Sign into your account again by tapping on Google and adding your account. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Android app-related problems, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android and Samsung system errors easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving this app was built for an older version of Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.